What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Gaia 5D. I'm your host, Sarah, and as always, the theme here is holistic green living. If you're new, consider subscribing. Okay, so in this episode, in my little mini-series regarding the coronavirus, we're going to talk specifically about different ways that you can disinfect things around the house naturally. Stay tuned for some really great tips. Okay, so let's dive right into some natural disinfectants that you can be using during this crazy pandemic. First of all, my favorite one is essential oils. Believe it or not, there are certain essential oils that are antiviral, particularly the Thieves Oil blend, which contains clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. The antiviral ones in this blend are the clove, cinnamon, and eucalyptus. Now, as the story goes, the Thieves Oil blend was used during the bubonic plague. There were individuals that were going around and robbing the dead bodies of the bubonic plague. And later they were questioned as to how on earth they were surviving while sort of meandering around all of these plague victims. They said that they were using this Thieves Oil blend. The name was obviously coined after the thieves, but they were using this essential oil blend and they were wearing masks and putting the essential oils on the masks. So what I do is I use the Thieves Oil blend. I put a few drops in with some coconut oil and I use that as a hand moisturizer. I also put a few drops in with some either water or witch hazel and use that as a room spray. And I've also been diffusing it around the house. So throw a couple drops in my diffuser. I have diffusers in each room of my house. So I always have this stuff going pretty much everywhere. And then I also have been putting a few drops in with my dishwater. And also I put a few drops in with a bucket of water to wipe down switches and door handles and all that kind of stuff around the house. Surfaces, countertops, that sort of thing. So that would be my first recommendation, is using essential oils because it's totally natural and they are very effective, non-toxic, and they smell nice too. So my second recommendation would be hydrogen peroxide. It's antiviral and it's less toxic than other disinfectants. So you would purchase it in 3 to 5% and use it to wipe down surfaces. Another option is alcohol. So methyl or ethyl alcohol, ethyl being the best option in 60 to 80%. And then the third option would be vinegar, although it is not the best. It has mild antiviral properties, but if you have nothing else, then it's better than nothing. Okay, so that concludes this episode. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have your own suggestions regarding natural ways that you can disinfect things around the house, please leave those in the comments below. Again, I want to thank you guys very much for joining me, and please stay tuned for the next episode that will be regarding emergency preparedness. Have an amazing day and stay safe.